honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, today I'm getting ready to air fry some chicken wings. I think that's all that's in this bag. Yeah. I've already washed, marinated, and this was previously frozen. I vacuum sealed it, frozen. So, these have been thawed out for a couple days now in the fridge. So I'll be using the last of my chicken crack, the licking chicken flavor. This is my favorite chicken crack, the licking chicken. It has more garlic and pepper than the original chicken crack. So I'm using my breader shaker bowl. I already got the stuff in here. So I'm going to preheat my Cosori air fryer. This is the smaller one, 3.7 quart. Since I only have about 4 wings in this bag, I'm going to preheat it. Okay, I'm going to cut this vacuum seal bag open. Smells so good. But I'm going to be drying these wings. The wings really need to be as dry as possible before you bread them. So they're quite wet. So I'm going to dry them with paper towels before I put them in the breader bowl. Nice and golden brown and crispy. And this seasoning has gone all through the wings, so I ain't worried about wiping off seasoning. The flavor is all up in here. Drying them off best I can. Okay. Just dabbing them. Bread the wings. And this has preheated long enough. See how nicely these are breaded. Okay. I'm going to put them the flat side up, and I'm not going to flip these wings. Like I said, this is my smaller Cosori. I have a large one too, a 5.8 quart one. This is 3.7. Okay. Oh. And I'll be spraying my wings with olive oil, and I'm using my Evo oil sprayer. That's good. That's what they look like for wings. Let me stop it. Turn it back on. I'm putting it on the chicken icon setting and press play. And like I said, I'm not going to flip the wings. So I will be back when my chicken is ready. Okay, my chicken, I know it's done by now. Let me check. It's done. I always forget, oh, it's on. I always forget that marinated food, meats, take about 5 minutes quicker to cook. So I should have set this for 5 minutes less, but my chicken still looks good. Yeah. I didn't flip my wings at all. They brown on both sides. I don't want to drop it. I'm trying to show y'all. This is the cleanup. That's what I love about Cosori air fryers. Easy cleanup. And the basket hasn't chipped. Right. I'll wash that later. So, this is how my air fried wings look. Look at that, y'all. And this is what I breaded them with. Chicken crack, licking chicken flavor. And you can go to their website, chickencrack.com, and order. Because if you order from Amazon, it costs a lot. Okay. Guess y'all want to see me taste it. Let's taste some of the skin. Hot, hot, hot. Woo! I want y'all to hear the crunch. These wings are nice and crispy. Golden brown. They're a little more brown than they should be, but they're good. They still look pretty. And the main thing is the taste. And the chicken crack is bomb. Very, very good. I don't need no hot sauce, no ketchup, no nothing on here. So, I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a nice comment. And subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed day. I'm trying to arrange the chicken so I have a good thumbnail. Okay, bye.